Welcome. If you're looking to follow an account directly from your messages on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, X has made it even easier to connect with people you chat with in groups or private conversations. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to follow any account straight from your messages, all from your browser. First, open your preferred browser and head over to X. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're on the X homepage, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Messages icon. This will take you to your inbox, where you'll see all your recent conversations and group chats. Now, select the group chat where the account you want to follow is a member. Click on the group to open it. At the top of the chat window, you'll notice an info icon, usually represented by a small circle with an eye inside. Click this icon to open the group information panel. In this panel, you'll see a list of all the members in the group. Find the account you want to follow. Right next to their name, there should be a follow button. Simply click on follow and you're done. You're now following that account without ever having to leave your messages or search for their profile separately. This new feature streamlines the process, making it quick and convenient to stay connected with people you interact with most. Whether you're networking, joining new communities, or just keeping up with friends, following accounts from your messages helps you grow your feed with just a couple of clicks. That's all it takes. Open X, go to Messages, enter your group, click the info icon, and hit follow next to any account you want. Try it out and see how much easier it is to connect on X with this latest update. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips to make the most of your X experience.